guys! Welcome to another vlog. It's our day 4 here in Hochiminhcity, Vietnam. So, gagawin natin ngayon, lalabas tayo, tapos pupunta tayo sa isang one of the famous restaurant here in Saigon. Tatry natin ang food nila. And after that, meron din tayong dadaanan na property dito sa Vietnam. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. And nagugutom na rin ako kasi hindi pa ako nagdo-lunch. It's currently 2:30 na Vietnam time. Samahan niyo ako, tara. Sakay na tayo guys, on the way to the restaurant. And we finally made it here at 4P's Pizza.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking the place that is hard. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you.
Napakaganda dito sa 4P's pizza. Ang ganda ng second floor din nila. The gym. Oh. I can do this every day. Treadmill. Yeah, there's a nice view. What's on the other side? Ah, exit. Okay.
So to get in, go with cars.
Yeah.
To get out, you got to go.
Yeah, right. This is the deficit
Mm.
of the push water.
Ah, yeah.
Whirlpool. Take one.
So ngayon guys, nandito ako ngayon sa barbecue area ng condominium na tinitignan natin. And naikot ko na rin yung facilities and all, as well as the unit, nakita na natin. And napakaganda ng view dito. Look. So we will just gonna update you in the few days if kailan tayo magmo-move in. We'll just gonna update you, but I love the skyscraper here. Okay guys, we are back here in our place. So magpapahinga na muna tayo. And I would like to thank you sa pagsama sa akin sa vlog na ito. So, kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod na vlog. Bye for now!